When you start snoring, the device right next to the pillow will detect your snoring sound, and there are 4 airbags inside. Will inflate to turn your head to the side, so it can open up the airway in your throat. Once you use snoring, it'll just lift up a little bit of your neck position and readjust your posture, so it can prevent the snoring. It learns your pattern and analyze it. So with our sleep app, you can see how well you slept the other night, for how long you snored, for how long you slept, right? So over time it gets better because it learns your system, it learns your pattern.